Hello everyone, my name is Umra and I am a mother of two children and I have been learning this language at the age of 40. And because I firmly believe that it's never too late to learn anything, it's never too late to do anything. That's why I have been learning this language for 1 year. So today I'm going to tell you that I have implement some of rules at myself to learn this language. What actually I have implemented, I will tell you. So first of all, I have implemented that I will speak. By the way, I usually speak very simple language, but I want to know also those people who are learning this language. First of all, we should speak in a simple language. We never use complicated sentences, we never use advanced words. First of all, we make ourselves fluent in very simple language because what is our what is our aim is to our aim is to convey our message to the others, and if we are able to convey our message in a simple language, it is very good. Because when we try to speak very fancy word, when we try to speak complicated, we get stuck. And our aim should be to to send our message among lots of people. Because there are we are Indian, and there are lots of people who don't know how to speak in English. So first of all, we should speak in a simple language, we should use simple language, and we should try to be fluent in simple language. So whether I am trying to learn more vocabulary, whether I am trying to memorize some of grammar rules or not, but I will I will speak in a simple language. I will never try to speak complicated, because it's make trouble while speaking. So this is the one thing that I'm going to implement on myself. And second thing that which is I'm going to implement on ourselves, that I will speak whenever I get time. I will never wait to get the time that I when I will be free, then I will speak English. No, if I am working in my kitchen, then I will be speaking. I will speak during my cooking foods. When I will be doing on laundry, then I will speak. By the way, I usually do the same, but now I will speak little more. So this is the second thing, then I will implement at myself. And the third thing is that I will speak more. Because when it comes to speaking, look friends, if we really want to speak English, then we will speak a lot. So I will speak little more. I will speak I will speak enough. If we are not going to speak enough, we will never be able to speak this language. So we should speak as much as we can. So this is the thing, that the third thing that I am going to implement myself. And I also try to be continue for 7 days. I actually made I actually gave me a challenge, and that I will speak 7 days continuously, whether I am speaking for 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes, but I will surely speak. Because so many times I get busy and I couldn't get the time to speak, to practice my English speaking. And this is the main way that I am not improving my English speaking. So I have given a challenge to myself that I will speak for 7 days. Why I am making this very small challenge for 7 days? Because I have seen on YouTube that people are making at least 3 months goal, 2 months goal, and 90 days. Yeah, 3 months, 2 months, and 1 month's goal. Actually, friend, to be very honest, I can't fulfill my long challenge. I know my capability. I know that what can I do or what can I not do. That's why I think that I will make first a very short challenge. I will give my self short challenge. If I fulfill this challenge, that I will make another short challenge. So that's how I am going to practice my English speaking. And if you like my effort, and if you like my video, so like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.